In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block someone on TikTok, okay? As usual, in this channel, we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Let's get started. Let's say I want to block this person. What do? I just click on their profile picture to the right or their name, whichever you want. Just click on the name or the profile picture. It doesn't matter. Now, I can see this person's profile, but maybe I don't want him to be seeing my post. So I want to block him permanently, so he doesn't see when I post my photos. Okay, this is just for example. I don't have any problem with this guy called Ogilai Rastas. We don't have any problem. Now I want to block him so that I can demonstrate how it's done. Now click on the button at the top that looks like an arrow that's pointing to the right at the very top, this button here. Then you will see options at the bottom. Now just tap on block, that one with circle that's crossed horizontally. It's written block. Now by doing this, you'll be able to block this person. Thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, please remember to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.